What up, guys? David Hunter here, and I'm pretty much jumping on the old bandwagon of throwing together a few vlogs and documenting of car maintenance and mechanicking. Bit of this, bit of that. But yeah, thought it'd be a bit interesting just to show everyone a bit behind the scenes and what sort of goes into prepping the car before the start of the season, if we make it, because of all this COVID and obviously financials as well. But we'll give it our best efforts and see how we get there. But yeah, that should be pretty cool. I've got a few pretty interesting changes to the car coming up that I'm sure you'll be stoked and kind of shocked at the same time, but not doing any rotary shops or anything silly like that. But yeah, should be cool. It'll be cool, definitely cool. Yeah, the next few videos I'm about to load up now, I'll show you guys now, are pretty much just very raw, just off the cuff. Just whenever we're working on the car, whip the phone out and just film it away. So don't expect any bloody award-winning filming from myself. It's just how I do it. Yeah, it's got it's end of the day. It's just to keep myself known, I guess, and just trying to make a name for myself. Same, but yeah. I'll probably be dropping 2 or 3 or maybe 4 videos of like the build of the rebuild per se, of like the look of the car, going through panel beating, prepping, painting, and then assembling. Should be pretty cool. Hopefully it's something of interest to everyone and they want to keep watching, and that's basically why I've done it, because I've started getting on the YouTube, watching myself and seeing all the other boys doing, and it's quite cool to see everyone else how they get on. And I've been sort of pushed by a few people just to face your fears and just jump behind it and just get into it. So I'll give it my best nudge. It's not going to be the best. I will be, but I don't know. I'll try my best. Crazy to think all this stuff come from the inside of the car. You're damn right, that's still in the drift cart. I must have. Oh, the speakers are over here somewhere. Can't wait to get this thing all back together and painted and looking like $1 million again, until Sean Potros or, I don't know, Andrew Donahue drives into me again. Clean up day today. Sad to see how neglected, well, not neglected, but how used these things can get. Used and abused. Oh, the boys love it. That's what old Mr. Stevens has got to fix up. Yeah. Cleanups. Bloody good. On the strip downs today. Glass out. Rubbing the cage down. Engine bay next. Still don't know what we're doing with this yet. Might be a roof job. Yeah, only polish a turd so much. And this sort of thing, it's got to be probably the only one thing that I like that I've done to the exterior of the car. The rest of it's all pretty basic. Damn old logo, I'll just keep bringing it back to life. It's not worth chucking away. My plastic welder is going to love me. Job's good. Isn't that right, Gregory?
See the new apprentice.
Mm-hmm. And tonight, on to the sanding. Sanding all the panels up. One of the bros, Lewis Malsop's dropped off my car. Took some time off while we had a bit of wongs, Pugs wongs. Cheers for that. Dave Matahari's kindly dropped off all our paint supplies and primers and everything we need. And yeah, the car's getting straightened up there from our bit of a rough impact at Bay Park. And that bumper, I've been told I'm not allowed to fix this, so that's all that bumper wrote. But yeah. So sick. This is Greg's in-floor jack. So rad, bros. Lifts the car up about like yay high. So much easier for sanding the body down when it's back. It's down at Riverley Road Panel and Paint, I think. can't remember the name of it. One of the boys' mates, Lewis's mate, Mark's kindly given us the opportunity to get it straightened out again. The RTN got a bit of a beating at Bay Park. So yeah, we're on. There she is. All masked up. Oh, my fat fingers in the camera. She is gonna look pristine. Check out our booth. We have to bag up the whole room. Greg's like rigged up some ducts, so that pulls air in from the outside, 2 of those. And then he has his extractor here at the front. Pulls it all out. Pretty neat little setup. Got to appreciate the old school Superman shot keeter.
Stop leaking! Bro, why can't they just make these sentences like
Your boy got Riley on the job today, masking up. Little trip we got from Dayton to Hari. Pinfoiling all the joins. Makes life a bit easier. How good.